All right, well, I'm just about to arrive here in Alpena. We are looking at a 2004 CR250 today. Guy wanted 3,800 bucks for it, dropped down to 32. Saw it on there in fall. Now it's winter time, so I offered him 25. He said 28, and I said 25, and he said okay. So we're going to check it out. The guy said he had new crank bearings put in it when he first got it, and a new piston, new levers, new cables, new wheel bearings. So looks like it kind of gone through since he bought it. Should be a nice unit, and hopefully here we should be coming home with another new bike. I will give you an update as soon as I have one. Over now. All right, so quick update. There's a bike in the back, so we have acquired it. The guy's name was Chuck. Cool dude, older fella, probably in his 40s or so. Had his own motocross track there on site. I guess he's had 21 tabletops or 21 gaps. He was saying, so pretty good sized track. And this bike, he said, has got a real strong bottom end, which is kind of not really a two-stroke characteristic, but it's got a really long throw on an FMF pipe. I wonder if it's more of like a trail pipe. But the thing does bark down low. Even just getting on the power band, thing pops front wheel up real easy in third and fourth gear. And I'm not a light guy. I'm about 235. So anyways, it's a pretty good bike. Could use some fork seals eventually. New exhaust biscuit where the expansion chamber goes to the head. But a couple little things like that, and we'll be back in shape. I think he did all the hard stuff like tires and bottom end bearings and wheel bearings and all that stuff. So you gotta give me a couple extra parts with it. Looks like some plastics, some extra seat, and some extra wheels that pretty rough shape, but good to have a backup set, I guess, maybe for the dunes or something. So either way, I think we got a pretty good deal on this thing. Got it 1,300 under what he was asking, so it's always a good day. More soon.